If you are not making money in Amazon KDP, you are doing one of these 5 deadly mistakes, and the number 5 is the most dangerous. If you want to stop this mistake and start making between $500 to $1,000 every month using your smartphone or your laptop and your internet connection and make money on Amazon, do well to watch this video to the end so that you start making money in Amazon KDP. So let's find out. Hello, I welcome you to this special training where I'll be showing you 5 common reasons why you are not making money in Amazon KDP. I want to be exposing you to 5 common reasons that I've discovered why you are not making the kind of money you need in Amazon KDP. So first of all, my name is Junior Ferdinand. I have helped people make money at least $1,000 in 90 days using the smartphone through Amazon KDP. So in this short video, I want to show you why you are not making money in Amazon KDP. So let's proceed. So number 1, you don't research well. Research whether for title, keywords, etc. It is where 80% of your money comes from. So don't be in a rush. Take your time and conduct a well-defined research. You understand? To research, you need to find out a profitable keywords and the kind of keyword that Amazon customers are typing in the search bar and is very profitable for you, so that you use it in your title, your subtitle, and so much more. So the thing is, learn how to conduct a well-defined research, because that's where 80% of your money comes from. If you do not do it well, you will not make money in Amazon KDP. So take your time and do a well-defined research in looking for your keywords, and make sure the BSR is lower than 300,000, and make sure that the keyword is always searched in the search bar of Amazon customers. Like Amazon customers search for those keywords in the search bar. So learn how to use the right keywords and research on a very profitable niche, and make sure that it's not too competitive and you publish your book on that. So research well, check for your BSR, check for what Amazon customers are typing for it, check the first 3 books. If they are profitable, then you go ahead and use the keyword for your book. So number 2 is not using the right description and title that is SEO friendly. Amazon KDP is a search engine optimization platform, so using the right description for your book help you rank in search. You understand? If you are using the right description help you to optimize well for your book to rank. You understand? Example, you are writing a book on how you can go to the gym. For example, you are writing a book on how to go to the gym. Now, if you are using that keyword, make sure you also include it in your title and your description so that you can rank higher in Amazon KDP, because Amazon is also a search engine optimization platform. Number 3 is wrong book cover design. There's a saying that says, don't judge a book by its cover. I must tell you, Amazon customers judge the book by its cover, because that's the first attraction towards getting your book. You understand? As you can see on your screen, this is one of the book cover I created for one of my books. So learn how to create a very attractive book cover, because that's the first attraction Amazon customers get whenever they want to buy your book. You understand? That's the first push. It's like if you are familiar with YouTube, you know what is called thumbnail. Thumbnail is what we display in the front of the video that you want to click on to watch. So that thumbnail is the first attraction that you see before clicking on that video. So that's how it also works in Amazon, but in this aspect is the aspect of book cover. Amazon use book cover, so they don't use thumbnail, because it's YouTube that use thumbnail, and Facebook and other platforms, video platforms, use thumbnail most especially. While Amazon, the attraction is using your book cover, make sure it's attractive enough, and make sure that is appealing to your audience. You understand? Because different kind of book for different kind of audience. So make sure your book is appealing to your audience, and make sure that it's a very well designed, compelling book cover design that is containing the information that is related to your book. You understand? You can design your book cover using Pixel Lab. You can design your book cover using Canva. For me personally, I use Canva to design a very attractive book cover. So make sure you design a very attractive book cover while you're uploading your book to maximize your sales in Amazon KDP. So number 4, not using right keywords. Amazon customer type for specific keywords while looking for a book they want. You understand? So target the right keywords while uploading your book in your title, subtitle, and backend, even description. So while you are trying to upload your book, make sure you use the kind of right description that is needed. You understand? The right keyword that is needed. Target a very profitable keyword. Example, if you search, let me give you an example. You type in Amazon search bar how to go to the gym, and you see that how to go to the gym have a result less than 1,000 result. So, and you want to use it, it should be less than 1,000 result, and it should be profitable. You understand? How you can know it's profitable is to check the first 3 books. If they are selling, then you can go ahead and use that keyword. So target the right keyword. Target the right keyword that you need for your book. Target it that is very profitable for your book. So number 5 is no right mentorship and guidance. Starting Amazon KDP as a complete beginner without the right information and right mentorship will not make you any money. That's why I have documented all my secret strategy that helped me make $1,000 in 90 days. Listen, I've documented all my secret strategy that I used to make at least $1,000 monthly in Amazon KDP as a non-writer. Not only me, I have also helped so many people duplicate my same result and make good money for themselves. You understand? You can make between $200 to $500 monthly using your smartphone and your internet connection through Amazon KDP as a non-writer. You don't need to be a writer. You understand? You need the right strategy, the right mentorship for you to make money in Amazon KDP. You understand? Because starting Amazon KDP, especially you don't have the right knowledge, or you don't know about it before, and you are starting it on your own, you might likely not make money in Amazon KDP. That's why I've documented all my secret strategy. Me and my students used to generate $200 to $500 and $1,000 in 90 days using just our smartphone. So if you are interested in this, get back to the person that sent you this video, or you check the link. If there is a link, you check the link around this video to learn more. I have documented a 39 minutes video where I explain the business model, everything you need to know about Amazon KDP from scratch, where I will be exposing you on how you can make money in Amazon KDP as a non-writer. Listen guys, you don't need to be a writer. You don't need to be a writer. So if you are interested, check the link around this video, or get back to the person that gave you this video to get started. Hello guys, this is Junior Ferdinand. I want to show you what I made in just yesterday. Only just yesterday I made about $22. I made $22 in a day. That is yesterday. As you can see, look at it, $22. Thank you for watching. See you inside.